Hey, it's Ghost. Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna rip some shard bugs today for the first time on the channel, if you can believe it. We have a few boxes here of the newest set, Shard Bugs Infestation. We're gonna start right with the one in the middle here today, and just kind of take our time, appreciate the art, appreciate everything about this new set, try to get some big hits. And if you're not aware of what the nice tribute card is in the set, let's just not spoil the experience, and we will just go ahead and have to pull it. So all right, let's get started. Really excited for this set. I know it's been out a little bit, but man, I've been freaking busy lately, and that is an understatement. We have in the box, what do you get? So we're gonna get this token pack, which has a chance in the back for the redemption card, which, spoiler alert, or maybe not necessarily a spoiler alert, but you get to design a card in a future set if you're one of the first few that pulls one of them. And I pulled one here on the channel that you can find in this playlist. The prize pack, on the other hand, has either another version of a sketch alternate art promo from this set, or this is where we get the big boys, the big serialized. And then we can get serialized in the boxes as well. So I'm going to set these prize pack and token pack off to the side, and we'll do that at the end. But in the meantime, we can get our packs ready to rock and roll. We have a whole new set of awesome art, as always. Lots of cool, funny little things on the cards, and yeah, it's going to be fun. 24 packs. Let's see what secret rares we can get. Let's just take our time, appreciate it here. Try not to get too annoyed by the royalty-free music. That's right. Can't do the cool music when you're recording for YouTube videos, because then your stream gets blocked. Sometimes you get lucky and it's only blocked in Russia, but other times it's not so good. All right, let's see if we can get this going. All right, starting out with our Lunarian Charm. Look at that, a symbol of wisdom. Man, super cool. Mining Bee Scout. I found the Swarm. Reedy Jumper. What are we aiming for again? Okay, and then we've got a Fog of War. Avatar abilities can't be activated. Something about this just seems like it's good. Who turned out the lights, it says. And then we've got two foils in the packs. Oops, and I messed it up. So our first one, so this is Queen Lana. Look at her. My ladies in waiting, call me Lala. Fantastic. Look at that art right there. Surge foiling, incredible quality. It just makes you want to dive right into this game, doesn't it? Man, looks amazing. So we have surge foiling, and I believe that's going to get us, for the rares and the cosmic rares are going to be the surge foiling, right? You're going to have to correct me on some of this. I'm a little out of practice when it comes to shard bugs. And then here's a Roly Blade. So look at this one. This one is a common. And now we have an opportunity to get kind of a traditional classic foil. Again, looks really nice, and I'm pretty sure you can get foils for the entire set this way, which is a huge step up, in my opinion, for the collectability of this game. So then we're into our commons. There's Shard Cluster, huh? Its power undeniable, its secrets unknown. Look at the art on some of this stuff. Tainted Candy. All right, pack one in the books. But yeah, I've always really just had a thing for the shard bugs. The art, the comic book style, the storytelling that you can kind of get just by opening packs. You don't have to go and read the comic books, but they are pretty cool. All right, let's see if we're actually focused the way we want to be. Alright, maybe we'll cover up some eyes there. Alright. Swarm Caller Cicada. They follow my call. Aminthus, the Airborne. Flying in a shoe, a worm warrior. I believe I can fly. That's pretty cool. Colony Warden. Sunclad Veteran. Our devotion is our strength. The flavor on these is just so cool. All right, so now we're gonna get something pretty cool here. I think we're gonna get our first cosmic rare of the box. Try something here. Maybe it's gonna help. So we got Rinfath, Igniter of Skies, Bug, Dragonfly Berserker. He's got Aggro, Fury, and Larva on your field gain Fury. Look at that. Such cool. You can kind of see the foiling, the special foiling for the Cosmics. I'm going to bring this light back on, I think. Pretty cool. First Cosmic Rare, and then we're into War Profiteering. Mad, Mutually Assured Dust. Hell yeah. Alright. We'll pause on things that catch our eye a little bit. Swarm Soldier. Mars, grant me strength. Look at that art right there. It's so cool. Alright. I'm enjoying it so far. I was ripping a bunch of packs on Whatnot. On other guys' streams that were streaming for Whatnot. This is kind of some of the first ones that I've ripped here in-house, which just, it's nice to open them yourself sometimes, you know? Fires of the Horde. Look at it. To battle. Burn it all. Sweet. Honey Elixir. That's gotta be good, right? A consumable. That looks cool. You've been stick-bugged. Here we go. We got another... Oh, look at that. That's cool. I love it when that happens. So there's a foil... Okay, so you can get non-foil rares this time. And then the foil rares got the surge foiling. Alright. That's pretty cool. That's a neat little addition. Alright. Figure out how I'm organizing here. And then we've got our Redwart Warrior in the normal foil. Alright. Gonna redo the organization here, make it make sense. There we go. Alright. There we go. Agony Archer, Bulldoze, Move Bug, get out the way. Love that. Crimson Stinger, Beast of Fist. Garbage Savant. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we go, moving on. So we're looking for some cool secrets, some cool cosmics for sure, and there's a couple of really cool secrets that I think are the big ones. And like I said, I don't want to blow it. I want to just kind of do it. Natural Disaster, Hold the Line, Robo Reachers. And then we're going to get Wormbow Wagons. Yes! Love that. Wormbow Wagons is a slimy fellow. Bug Worm Warrior. Hell yeah. Love that. And then we're going to get a Shard Cluster in the foil. Sweet. That's super cool. That might actually be special in the foil. That's pretty cool. Brittle Beam, Colony Scout, Fungal Farmer. I feel funny. Haha. Hunter of Hunters. Alright, next pack. I'm kind of hoping we get to do something kind of cool for this set here, where, what do I have? Like, six boxes? Something like that. Kind of hoping we get to do something cool. Oh, Meteoric Charm, that looks awesome. But yeah, I kind of hope we get to do something cool. And maybe do some sort of a chase, like we did with the last set that we opened on the channel. Solar Vanguard. Oh, I think we got something cool here. What do we got? Ooh. Now that is awesome. Curd, Shield of Soul, Dragonfly Paladin with the texturing. 155 out of 161, if you can see that. That's amazing. That's pretty fantastic. Alright, that's a secret. I'm gonna go over in the cool pile. Then we got our Crescent Comet. Looks nice. Lunchbox Bunker. That's pretty funny. Alright, that was a great pack. Great pack right there. I'm gonna pause just for a second. Pausing. Okay, we're just gonna roll with it. Let's see what's going on. Alright, coming right back. Alright, next pack. So there are cereals that you can get in the pack. And I was lucky enough to get one on Zard's stream, but I'm not sure if I know the full extent of it, which is kind of cool. I love opening stuff where I'm just kind of learning about it. Bounty 2, Swallowtail Soldier. Cool. War Profiteering. Morgana the Shadow. Wow, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful on that one. Recruit Graduation. We are ready. Wicked. And then a Tainted Candy. It's a trap. Stinger Patrol. Ooh, Carapace Shield. Defense, defense, defense. Alright. I really like that Morgana. That was pretty cool. Alright. Solarian Strider. Oh, look at the art, man. They follow my call. Swarm Caller Cicada. That's so nice. That's just funny. Hive Collapse. And we got a Servo, Master of Machines in the rare Surge foil. I am Ironworm. It's the kind of stuff that's just fantastic about this, you guys. And I think the boxes are like $100. Secret Stinger. Like as far as getting this, you know, some entertainment, tinfoil crown, hell yeah. I think it's a good rip for what, you know, the price. Defensive Stance. Pretty cool. Alright, few left on one side here. Looking forward to trying to put together a complete set of this. I've got all the binders and stuff that you can get on the Shardbugs website. And they've been kind of lonely, waiting to be have some cards put in. Alright, there we go. Another Secret Stinger. So 161 cards is not a big set. It's not a small set either, right? I think it's pretty good. What do we have here? Ooh, Soul Radiant Star. Cosmic Avatar 161 out of 161. That is gorgeous. Yeah. I'm trying to think what I want to play when I start playing Shardbugs for my avatar. I actually don't know. I actually started doing the design work for my Create a Card pretty recently, and oh, I put that in the wrong spot. Yeah, and so I had to start thinking about like what avatar, what faction, whatever my card would be, and it's super complicated. It's a tough choice. It's gonna be in there forever. But really fun. Kind of got derailed a little bit on the process by, you know, the Shardbugs Discord had to be totally rebooted recently. But props to the team for making it through that on the other side. It's not fun. There's so many like so much hacking of accounts and scams and stuff going on right now. And come help me with my video game, and it ends up stealing your whole account and your whole Discord server. It's really scary. Ooh, here we go. Another. Oh, that's gotta be something. Luna Crescent Moon Cosmic Avatar Secret, right? 164 out of 161 means it's a secret? So we got 2 secrets in the box, and one's an avatar. Like, can you see the texturing? It's like perfect with the art. Oh man, that art right there alone makes me want to be Luna. That's so cool. Alright, Rampaging Rolly is our regular foil. Great Pond Diver, Dive or Die, that's pretty funny. Look at some of this art, it's just so fun. There's something about opening shard bugs, man. It's like, you're just doing it for the experience. Get some cool cards. We're watching like a secondary market really start to form for shard bugs. They're going to be available at distro coming up. Like, shard bugs is on the move. And it's so cool to just kind of relax and chill. Ooh, there's a nice cosmic. Look at the cosmic foiling there. Amazing. Play this at quick speed. Getting a nice little hit pile going over there. Eclipse Voyager for our regular foil. Yeah, I think shard bugs is kind of moving on up. If you're going to be the target of something like a hacking account scam, maybe that's you know, when we were talking about sorcery, like, we knew sorcery was getting popular when every like 3,000 scammers joined all the discords and marketplaces, and we're starting to see that, and you know, unfortunate stuff, but like, shard bugs is getting popular, and I love it. I love to see it. The Plague. Wow, we are Legion. Spear of Mars. Wow, this will only sting a little. Look at that art, you guys. Amazing. And you think, I don't know, for me, when I'm looking at like some of these card games and stuff that come out, this is a little bit off the cuff, so I don't know how it's going to come out, but I'll try my best. When I look at some of these card games coming out, and even in Magic, right? Like, some of this stuff is so gimmicky and just designed to like force value or something, or I don't know, but like, shard bugs to me, it just isn't that. Like, they're doing what's cool. Like, that looks cool. That surge foiling. It's not designed to like force scarcity or value, or they're not just slapping some stupid serial number sticker on it and saying it's rare and expecting people to, oh, you know, pay more for something, or pay more for a box because they decided to stick something, you know, a serialized sticker on it, right? Like, this is awesome. So serialized stuff it's got special art, right? The surge foiling is so tastefully done. The cosmic foiling is so, like, it just works with the art, and then you saw the texture, right? It's like perfectly around like the outline of the different layers. I mean, look at that. Flame trenches in the surge foil, it just pops. And there's no quality issues. Like, the cards are fantastic. Supernova, wow. And like, yeah, the one part, I mean, yep, the cards are pink. I get it. I'm not a huge fan of that myself, but when you're doing the like opening experience and you pull even just a normal surge foil, it just looks so cool. It makes it just such a good feeling to pull something like that. Halfway through the box, that's it. I don't even know how long we've been going. Halfway through the box, got a nice hit stack going here. Gonna speed up a little bit. Escape tunnels. Which one do I take? Haha, look at that. Escape pods. Love that. That's the kind of stuff. It's just like, you can't open this too fast. Ooh, Cover of Night. Look at that. Alright, Urama Luna Spectre for another cosmic. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that just funky ass foiling that's going on. It's so cool. The ultimate predator of the Twilight Sky. Amazing. And then a Reaver for the regular foil. Oh, finally. I wanted to pull one of these so bad. Propaganda. Devote now. Don't. Ha! Spray paint it over. Love that. Your avatar does not care for you. They crave only obedience. Yeah, there might be something to that, huh? Mechanized infantry with the battery pack? That's pretty funny. Just, you can open this stuff and just have a laugh. And I bet you when you play some of these cards, it's just, you have a laugh. Different funky way to play a TCG, right? Where you're trying to earn devotion and not just beat your opponent down, right? Bullet Ant Mercenary. Antonio! I must report back to the elders. What do we have here? Ooh, that looks so cool. Swarmborn Matron with a Surge foil. Order of Rinfaf. Look at the eyes in that foil. Awesome. Yeah. I'm a pretty critical person, you guys, and just like I'm watching some of these other games get ripped, or just the blatant money grabs of some of these TCGs out there, or they're not even a TCG, or who the heck knows. I don't know. Like, cards are cool. You should get what you think is cool, for sure. But this just jumps out at me as like it's another level. Like the level of thought that's gone into this and the planning. It's just fantastic. Strike from the shadows. This bed bug won't be biting. Checkered Defender, and then Sunclad Veteran in the rare, and Chitin Wraps, maybe? That's cool. Alright. Tinfoil Crown again. And then the other thing I think, you know, for Shardbugs, so 160 cards, actually I don't even know, well I guess it's more than that with the secrets, but I don't know if we've really determined, like, what is it, maybe 4 or 5 boxes? Maybe you buy a case, and, well, a case for Shardbugs was always 12, wasn't it? So maybe you buy like 6 boxes and you probably have a full set? Something like that too? Like, oh, Larva. Or I'm sorry, Nugget. Larva Titan. Learn the name, Nugget. This is cool. I like that one. Ooh! How many Cosmics are we gonna get? That thing must be 5 feet tall. Apocalypse Engine. We've got a freaking hit stack. Oh, look at that. But like, that's a common, right? And it just looks beautiful in that foil. Panicked Villager. Alright, a few more packs. We'll rip the... I think we gotta do, as is tradition, we have to leave the chance for the biggest hit for last. Alright, here we go. War Profiteering, that's pretty cool. Queen Lana again. And then a Gilded Bulwark. Siege with Style. And a Tinfoil Crown! Awesome! I was wanting that one in a foil too. There's got like a little hot dog and a marshmallow on it. Love that. Pretty cool. Darkness, that's one of the cereals you can get, right? Alright, couple more packs. Is that taking our time with this first box? Enjoying the art. 2-Stripe Templar. 2 stripes. I'd hate to think if they had 3. Camouflage and Venom. Light Hopper. Another Flame Trenches. Ooh, and an Old Growth Scourge. Old wood tastes best. Oop, oop. And Defensive Stance in the foil. Shard Cluster. Another one of those. I'm a sucker for bugs. Just love it. What do you guys think of Shardbugs? Have you guys cracked any packs? Blight Hopper. Alright, Ironclad Soldier. My will is like my shell, unbreakable. And a War March. All the way across the yard. Yeah. I gotta find some time to get my stuff organized and sorted. Especially shard bugs. I just kind of have all these boxes that are like I'm supposed to sort and put into the binders. There's a lot going on here. Alright, got that Dust Maw. Craftsman. I'm not even sure like what the plan is like, or the plan, what the look at that Solar Storm. Another Cosmic. Is there a standard of how many Cosmics that you can get in a box these days? Because I remember it was like a certain number. I don't remember what it was, but oh, that looks cool in the foil. There's a certain number that you got, and then like once you got them, then you like the box was done. Another Devote Now Propaganda. But I don't think well, I don't know actually. I have no idea if there's a standard. I don't know if I want to know, right? Do I want to know how many, if there is? But I thought they fixed that or improved upon that for the opening experience, because I mean we got 2 secrets. I remember it was 1 and that was it. Okay, we got a Luna and a Moonveil Sentinel and a Great Pond Diver in the foil. Coach. Three packs to go here, you guys, and then we're gonna see if we can get something out of the tapas. Ooh, have we seen this one yet? Herald of Frost. Where do you hide when even the air becomes oppressive? Yeah, I used to live somewhere like that. Not gonna do that again. Yeah, living in Hawaii and all. Mabua's Reavers. Meteor Juggernaut. Ooh, and an Orchestrated Sinkhole. That rock there should do it. Get ready. That's cool. Ooh, Lily Pad Patrol in the foil. Deep behind enemy lines. That's super cool. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. The art is just fantastic. Alright, 2 packs to go in the normal, out of the normal packs here. See if we can get one of them fancy ones. If not, we'll just have to show it at the end, as I had to go in and get one. Seal the Hatch. Morgana's Influence. That's cool. And then Rise of the Maggots for a rare. And a Larval Spear for our regular foil. Alright, we are getting there, ladies and gentlemen. One more pack. One more pack to go. We gotta bring out the big boys. Let's see. I had a real long string of pulling sketches. I wanna pull one of the fancy ones, not a sketch. I mean, duh, right? But Natural Disaster, Roach Motel, what? The Splatin Chancla Motel? You can check out anytime you like. You know what that's from. Awesome. Just so cool. So well done. Solar Spartan in the rare, so we didn't get the fancy one. So I'm gonna pull that out of the stash behind me. Panicked Villager, alright. Alright, I think the Luna Crescent Moon. So let's do a little hit review. So we got Apocalypse Engine, this one, Celine, a soul cosmic avatar. I think that's a cosmic, isn't it? No, that's just a surge foil. So, oh well. I'm gonna keep it in this pile because I like it. And here's one, the texturing, fantastic. Kurd, Shield of Soul. A Rinfaf. And then there, I think this is the big one of the box right here. Luna in the texture. Oh, fantastic. But what we were looking for, I think... What we were looking for was most certainly this little guy here. We didn't get it this time. Actually, kind of hard to pull, I think. The Philosopher's Shard. A homage to the Philosopher's Stone. The artist is Severine Pino. What sorcery is this? It says from the homage to Sorcery Contested Realm, the iconic Philosopher's Stone, which actually I probably have here somewhere as well. I do. Look at that. Convenience. So here we go. Here is, I don't have a foil handy, but this is the iconic. This one's from Alpha too. And you can kind of just see the homage. And they use the same artist and everything. Fantastic. All right, that is enough of that for now. Let's do the thing. All right, we are gonna start with the prize pack. Start with the prize pack, see what cereal we get, and then... Well, should we start with the prize pack? Prize pack's gonna be one... Alright, no, we're gonna do the token pack. So if we're gonna get the big hit, we're gonna get the big hit, right? So... Oh, alright, yeah, we want to be zoomed. We're gonna do the token pack. Token pack has the chance for the redemption heat. So we'll do that first, because there's a very slim chance of this, but we know what very slim chance means sometimes. Beetle Warriors, and I always forget that there's a back to these things. Worm Warriors. A bounty, remember that? A bounty, and another bounty, and then a larva recruit. So that's where our big one would go. All right, it's time for a cereal. I don't want another sketch. Do you? Let's get the big one right here, right now. Luna Crescent Moon, so this is going to be our avatar pack, and the last card is going to be our chance at a cereal or one of the sketches. Well, I don't know. Fog of War in the serialized. Oh, I got numbered. Look at that. Nailed it. 69, baby. Nice. 69 out of 100. Fog of War. Yep. Alright. Not mad at that. Alright. Hell yeah. Hey, thanks for stopping by. First Shardbugs infestation on the channel, and we get number 69, Fog of War. Yep. Hey, if you like stuff like this, please check out the rest of the videos. Drop a like, drop a comment, click the like button, subscribe for more. The obligatory annoy you with pestering to click things. But no, for real, thanks for being here. Thanks for participating in the engagement, and I hope to see you around the Discords. Links in the description. All right, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and take it easy.